up, guys? Today I'm playing with my boy Forsaken. I think he left the call, but he's lagging. So yeah, you can't really hear him. Oh, severe thunderstorm. Oh snap! Holy smack macaroni! Alright, let me get my car. Alright, let's get our vehicle. Oh dang, this I see. This is gonna be a tornado real fast, bro. Whoa, bruh. Bro, I'm about to die by the time I get by the tornado. Finesse. Again. Oh, never mind. Alright, so bro, climb to the top. I'm climbing to the top, you would die. Bro, how did for a second, I have to restart YouTube. Say hi. Oh God, bro. Alright, we need him to say hi for the views. Say hi. Alright, that was a mistake. Let's see where this tornado is. What up? Greens, bro. Hey. Let's go to this tornado. Alright, let's follow this tornado's path. Here. Don't forget. Second, I'm gonna leave you. Alright, we might have to leave him. Alright. You're almost there. My boy, we're almost there. There it is. What the heck? What in the God's plan? This not finna do any damage to me, bro. If an ant goes through that, he will not die. Look at this. I know it's how. Oh snap! That's a tree. What type of? What type of Payless? Whoa, whoa. Alright guys, let's get our vehicle. Hurry up. Oh crap, this vehicle is... Oh my god, this vehicle is so hard. Bro, this vehicle is getting on my nerves. Alright. Alright, so it's just us. Yeah, we might have to just get... Oh crap. This, I don't know where the tornado is honestly anymore. You guys, let's get 5 likes for it. Oh no. Let's get 5 likes for continuing rapper roleplay. 5 likes for Jason Voorhees roleplay. Whatever likes. You in the comments? Well, no. I don't know. Well, yeah. You know, just go in the comments below. Pick what you want us to make, because I might have to end this video soon. I see the tornado. Was that tornado even heavy enough to pick that up? Oh freak! Go, go, go! In the house, in the house! Whoa, whoa! Ah! That tornado is going on a mission. Let's see if we can outrun it. Oh, yo, that way! Outrunning a tornado, then it just goes different directions. Yo, it just don't like me. Guys, we're gonna end the video right here. Make sure you hit the what video you want us to make. Like, what should we continue? What should we do? Well, I have no clue. Oh, that's nice. Alright. Hit that big. I'll see you guys later.